We're going to get some paint on this model, and here's a model that I built for the introduction. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead. We're going to get some red metallic paint on this car. I got it all taped up where I want the red to go and not to go. I got my paint in the bottle for the airbrush. Now on this airbrush, I found a problem with it. Why I was struggling with it is right here where it screws together. Okay, right in here. It's supposed to be a gasket. Guess what? It ain't there. So this key just kept coming loose. But I picked up a new one. These you get at Harbor Freight. 14 bucks. Works great. So let me get you situated and we'll get the paint. Alright, let's get some paint on. Alright, gotta give it about 15 minutes and then I'll come back and put another coat. Alright, let's get another coat on it. seen, we got it painted. I'm going to let it dry really, really good, which will take probably a few days. Then what I'll do is I'll lightly sand it. I'm going to give it a nice, good clear coat. And then where I taped it off that I didn't want painted, we're going to do that so it looks like a vinyl top. Before I started painting it, I wet sanded it with 1000 grit sandpaper. Just a light sanding. I gotta get my airbrush cleaned up. We'll catch you on the next video. Appreciate you and every one of you. Thanks for watching. But don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow, you're gonna smile all week, every day. Here's them suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area, over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.